Hi, I'm Chen K. I'm one of the co-founders of StableCorp, and here's how you can get started invoicing in stablecoins. Go to mystablecorp.com and click on login to get started. Enter your email, and you'll receive a one-time login code. Once you log in, you'll be redirected to the account setup page. Right now, we support Wyoming LLCs or Delaware C-Corp. If you want to build a cap table, go for the C-Corp. If you want a lean structure and start invoicing your clients, go for the Wyoming LLC. Fill in these details or chat to our agent to set up your LLC. Once you pay, it will take about 48 hours for us to get your employee identification number. Then you can proceed further. Once your account is activated, you get access to treasury, invoices, payments, compliance, and settings page. Here, you can start invoicing your clients by creating invoices. You can accept payments in ACH, Wire, SEPA from Europe, USDC on Solana, and USDC and USDT on Ethereum. And you can move money from your treasury to your personal bank account. We provide 4 different options for this. For the United States, there's ACH and Wire. For Europe, there's SEPA. If you want to do international transfers, there's SWIFT, and you can always use crypto.
Agents are first-class citizens of the stablecoin economy, with which they can execute actions that were not possible before with fiat payments. At StableCorp, we provide our users agents for the back office work. We also provide the ability for agents to be owned by entities. By doing this, the revenue goes towards the business income and also allow agents to issue cards against their entity. Use that to interact with other agents with various other protocols. These 2 actions unlock a whole new use case that wasn't possible before. We provide compliance agent as one of the back office workflow to our users.
Compliance agent pulls the data from StableCorp dashboard already and classifies the entity based on its type, jurisdiction, tax obligations. It also pulls the transactions from the entity and matches the invoices associated with the entity and reconciles them. It categorizes the income transactions done by the entity based on different things like revenue, income, owner distribution, etc. Once the transactions are classified, it creates tax ready statements like profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, which can be finally used to do the taxes, such as Form 5472, Wyoming annual report. Ready to use forms can be extracted from the compliance agent.
Now, for associating agents with entities, you can either have entity with us or create a new one. Once the compliance checks goes through, you can register an agent by providing all the info here, on which we add a X402 wrapper and provide the endpoint that can be listed or shared for parties interested to use the agent. The payment collected goes towards the stablecoin treasury. As you can see, there are a few listed agents that have our X402 wrapper and can be called by other agents.
We're also adding self-custodial wallets and debit cards so that you get access to DeFi and tokenized stocks on Solana. If you want early access to these, sign up right now and stay tuned. Thank you.